Major developments this afternoon in the push to try to ease the nationwide baby formula shortage. Today, the head of the FDA told Congress parents should start seeing better supply in a matter of days. Consumer investigator Hank Winchester is live with more on this. Hank, this was actually the first time that he's actually testified about the shortage, right?
Devin, you're absolutely right. He was facing some tough questions. This is all about baby formula, the lack of it on store shelves. Tonight, we're getting some information about when things could start to change. The head of the Food and Drug Administration on the hot seat today, facing congressional scrutiny over the baby formula shortage and the whistleblower complaint regarding Abbott's facility right here in Michigan.
Potentially putting babies at risk and forcing parents to play a game of Russian roulette.
The FDA chief defending the agency's response to this issue.
The pandemic, the war in Ukraine, and labor supply issues have all had an impact.
With political pressure mounting right now, the Biden administration taking drastic measures to increase supplies across the country. Formula needed, and that includes using U.S. military aircraft to import formula from overseas and invoking the Defense Production Act. Even some of the president's strongest allies say federal action should have come much sooner.
I give everybody an F on the entire spectrum of this, from the company itself to the FDA oversight.
Democrats are pushing a $28 million package to help the FDA hire more employees. Its fate in the Senate is unclear.
What's the objection? We don't want to spend money on babies who are crying for food.
The FDA now hoping Congress gives the green light for more money to prevent future shortages of baby formula.
And unless we strengthen the resilience of our supply chain, we could be one natural disaster, quality mishap, or cyber attack from being here again.
I believe that many of the problems facing your agency can be solved through strong leadership rather than more money.
The FDA chief also reassuring the public that the country's largest formula producer is on track to reopen soon here in Michigan, but not soon enough for struggling families. Back out here live, here's the good news in all of that. We are told that more formula should be making its way onto store shelves within the coming days, but the reality is things are not going to get back to normal for at least 6 to 8 weeks at a minimum. Tonight at 6 o'clock, we're going to be taking a look at the formula-related scams you need to know about. Some people losing hundreds of dollars just trying to get the formula they need for their children. We'll have that important Help Me Hank scam alert tonight at 6.
Because
for now, we're live here. Hank Winchester, Help Me Hank, Local 4.
the loss of the formula isn't enough. Now we've got to be dealing with being scammed over it as well. It's just so exasperating. All right, Hank. Now.